Unit 1, third problem. Construct a parabola. So parabola is very simple problem. Eccentricity they will not give you because the vertex, to indicate vertex, you have to take the center point between focus and directrix. See here, you will understand. If you see, first of all, draw the directrix. Directrix common. Eccentricity method, to draw ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, we have to follow the initial step which is common. Draw the directrix, draw the axis. This is common for every problem. Indicate the focus. The focus parabola when the distance between focus and directrix 40. So this is the directrix, right? On the axis you have to indicate the focus. So here to here how much now? Here to here how much? 40. At 40 indicate the focus. Here to here how much distance? 40. After that indicate the midpoint. Indicate the midpoint. The midpoint is vertex. Only if it is parabola. If it is parabola, then only midpoint as vertex. If it is ellipse or hyperbola, it will change. Midpoint when we take, if it is parabola, midpoint will take as vertex. Next, vertex to focus. Draw the curve. Draw the vertical through vertex. This is the intersecting point. Through the intersecting point, draw the slope. The same distance you take down, the same distance here, the same distance you have to take downward and draw the slope. Next, draw the vertical lines from vertex, same like ellipse. Okay, how many lines? 7 to 8 lines, enough. 7 to 8 lines. If it is parabola or hyperbola, 7 to 8 lines are enough. If it is ellipse, you have to complete till you get the other vertex. Ellipse will have 2 vertices, right? Only parabola, hyperbola, only 7 to 8 lines enough. Draw the verticals. Draw the verticals. Exactly verticals by drafter. Indicate all the points from vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 1, 1. 2, 1. 3, 1. 4, 1. 5, 1. 6, 1. 7, 1. 7 lines enough. Now set compass 1 to 1, 1. Set compass 1 to 1, 1. Remember, from focus. Focus always center. For every curve, focus center. Again 1, 1 is over. Now 2 to 1. Next 3, 3, 1. Again focus center. Next 4, 4, 1. Like this, indicate all the points. Okay, now just join them with a smooth curve. Okay, this is parabola. Like this you will. Next we have to draw tangent and normal at any point. Any point means you can indicate anywhere. Indicate one point. Join to the focus. Join to the focus. For this line, draw perpendicular onto directrix. Perpendicular, where we have to draw perpendicular onto the directrix, and join these 2 points. Join these 2 points, you will get the tangent. And if you draw perpendicular, you will get the normal. Here, what are the dark lines? Dark, tangent, normal, dark, tangent, normal, dark, directrix, axis, medium, remaining all lines thin. Okay, show the dimensions also. Only one dimension is there. I told you to indicate the given data. Given data is 50. The here to here, how much distance? 40 is given. So this 40 you have to indicate. That's all. Understand? Parabola very simple. So indicate the vertex middle, exactly middle for the parabola.